I don't know. 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 I don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm working with this chocolate brown wig from Asteria hair. The length of the wig is 24, so this is a 24-inch wig, and the density of the wig is 250. I've literally installed this wig straight out of the box. It's kind of giving crimped vibes, but I promise you I didn't do anything to this wig. I literally just installed this wig straight out of the box. All I had to do was literally just pluck the hairline. It came with a natural hairline, but it was still quite dense, so I had to go in and just, you know, pluck a bit, and I feel like now it looks really good. And this is their HD lace as well, guys. This HD lace is definitely giving HD because it's melted. It's fully melted. You can't... Where's the lace? Like, the lace is really giving. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I customized the hairline and also how I installed this wig using my bedhead spray, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Also, I'll make sure to list all the links in the description box, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know.
I see this girl, she dey move, kati. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Still we spend time with the glass of wine. I don't want no tragedy for us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you. Shorty know I go for two. I like you, I ride you. What's up, you know, I sight you. With your bed down to go, that shine too. I pass up, I hold the man too. I want you, I need you, you got it. What's up, you want it, I have it. Daddy. Right where we come from, the bag. You put you not there for yeah. Papa. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Let's go, I pull up for the party. One club, this is Cincinnati. I see this girl, she dey move, kati. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. For you, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. Like gotcha, I like. Still we spend time with the glass of wine. I don't want no tragedy for us. You don't want no tragedy for us. I just wanna stand by you. Anything I do for you. Shorty know I go for two. I like you, I ride you. boss up, you know, aside you. With your bed down to go, that's shine too. I boss up, I hold the man too. I want you, I need you, you got it. What's up, you want it, I have it. Didi, daddy, daddy. Right where we come from, the bad. You put it, put do. You not there for you, yeah, papa. I think I'm losing it. I don't really conversate. Oh yeah, I wanna lose my space. I wanna lose my space. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. I got ya on light. Go through tonight. I'm liking your vibe. Spark up my fire. I got ya on light.
Like guys, this hair is so peng, and the thing is, yeah, I didn't even have to do anything in terms of styling. All I did was I customized the hairline. It came with a natural hairline, but I definitely had to pluck it to make it look more natural. And yeah, so this is literally me done. Like, I've literally installed this wig straight out of the box. All I had to do was just to customize the hairline and glue the wig down. And when it comes to the lace as well, the lace is really melted. Like, this is giving HD for sure. Like, so yeah guys, I'm really impressed with this wig. It was such a quick install, and the hair feels really soft and silky. So I've not washed the hair. This is literally how the hair came out of the box. So yeah, this is how long the wig is on me. So this is a 24-inch wig, and it looks good as well. Like, it looks good. So this wig is from Asteria hair, and this is the chocolate brown wig. The length of the wig is 24 and the density is 250. So the hair is really full as well, by the way. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but it's really full. So this is a 250 density wig. So it feels like three bundles and a frontal, literally. So yeah, I'm going to make sure to list all the links that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.